Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into something pretty big from OpenAI, a brand new product they're calling ChatGPT Atlas. And look, this isn't just about tweaking an app. They are really trying to completely change how we use the internet itself. So, let's get right into it.
I want to kick things off with this question, because, it really gets to the heart of what OpenAI is doing here. For pretty much my whole life, our web browsers have just been passive tools, right? We tell them where to go, we copy some info from one tab, paste it over in another. But what if that could all change? What if your browser could actually be an active partner in what you're doing?
So, let's start with the absolute basics in our first section here. What is this thing? Well, OpenAI sees this as a huge opportunity to completely rethink our relationship with the web, moving way beyond just searching for stuff to something much, much more integrated.
At its simplest, this is what we're talking about. ChatGPT Atlas is a standalone web browser. But unlike, say, Chrome or Safari, it has ChatGPT's intelligence basically woven right into its DNA. This is not an extension or some plugin. The AI is the main event.
And this right here just perfectly shows the problem they're trying to solve. I mean, we've all been there, haven't we? Juggling like a dozen tabs, copying a little bit of text here, pasting it into a chat window over there. The whole idea behind the Atlas Way is to get rid of all that friction by having the AI actually understand what you're looking at and help you write on the page.
Okay, so now let's talk about how this little idea builds into a much, much larger vision. Because this isn't just about making browsing a little bit easier. No, it's about creating what OpenAI is calling a super assistant.
So here's the crucial point. Think about it. The browser is where everything comes together. Your work, your research, your vacation planning, all of it. So by building ChatGPT into the browser, the goal is to create an assistant that actually has the context of your digital world so it can help you in a way that's just way more profound.
And this is a perfect real-world example from an early tester. For students, researchers, really anyone. That whole workflow of taking a screenshot just to ask a question is so clunky. The idea here is that the browser already knows what's on your screen, which makes that whole interaction totally seamless. Okay, so that's the big vision. Now for section 3. How does it actually work? Let's get into the two core features that are really powering this whole experience, something called browser memories and the one that's really futuristic, agent mode. So first up is browser memories. Basically, this lets ChatGPT remember context from the websites you've been visiting. So you could ask it something like, hey, can you summarize the job postings I looked at last week? And it can actually draw on that memory to give you a personalized answer. And it's really important to note, the source material makes it crystal clear that this is